In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove grid lines in Google Sheets. Whether you want to streamline the appearance of your data or simply prefer a cleaner look, removing grid lines can make your spreadsheet more visually appealing. To begin, open your Google Sheets document. You can do this by navigating to Google Sheets on your web browser and selecting the specific document where you want to remove the grid lines. Once you're inside your document and can see your spreadsheet data, look towards the top of your screen for the menu bar. This is where we'll kick things off. Next, click on the View menu in the top menu bar. The View menu is where you'll find various display options for your spreadsheet, including the magic trick for grid lines. After you click View, a drop-down menu will appear. In this drop-down, you'll want to hover over the option labeled Show. Don't click just yet. Hover first. This allows you to see additional options pop up in a submenu. Once the submenu appears, you'll notice an option for grid lines on that list. To remove grid lines from your entire sheet, simply click on that grid lines option to uncheck it. Once unchecked, all those pesky grid lines will instantly vanish, leaving behind a clean and organized-looking sheet. However, if your intention is to remove grid lines only from a particular area of your spreadsheet, there's a different approach to take. First, identify the specific cells or range you want to adjust. Click and drag your cursor to select the desired cells or range. This action highlights the area and signals to Google Sheets where you want to make changes. Once you've made your selection, locate the Borders icon in the toolbar. Clicking this icon will reveal several border styling options. Look for the border color drop-down. This is where you'll be crafty. From the drop-down, choose white from the palette of colors. Why white? Because using a white border on a white background effectively makes the grid lines vanish, giving you the appearance of a clean slate. Lastly, click on the All Borders option within the border settings. This applies your chosen white borders to your selected cells, rendering them invisible against the backdrop of your document. Voila! With these simple steps, your spreadsheet now looks pristine, tailored precisely to fit your stylistic preference. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to remove grid lines in Google Sheets, either for the entire sheet or just for a specific area. Thanks for following along with me today. And if you found this guide useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, keep making those spreadsheets shine.